Hi guys, welcome to Blitzpool Fan Zone. I am Neil, this is Karan with me, and we are here to talk about the Lagan series, the ODI leg of the Lagan series. But Karan, before we get there, what do you think about the T20 series that just got over?
Such a dominant Indian cricket team. This is such a beautiful team. Coming back down again from 1-0. I don't know what is with this Indian team.
They've made it a habit.
I think they made this a habit and winning a habit.
Yes, yeah.
But look at them again. 1-0 down the series, coming back, winning the series 3-2. Something to do. I mean, how do you beat these boys?
Any other exceptional performances you think that, some players that were outstanding?
You look at the likes of Surya Kumar Yadav, a debutant.
Oof.
You look at the likes of Ishan Kishan, again a debutant. More than all of that, have a look at the confidence they're coming in with. I mean, to make a debut, unreal. Both match winners. You got an old horse back again. Bhuvaneshwar Kumar.
With that in swinger.
Unplayable. This guy is a genius with that ball. He swings it both ways. And you talk about even
Hardik
Pandya tweaking his action, coming back of a hip injury and of a back injury, bowling so well. I mean, this team is a never back down team.
He's a match winner. He's a proven match winner.
I feel each and every player in this team is a match winner.
Yeah, and I do feel that there was one player who's not, been mentioned too much, Shardul Thakur. He was there at the right moment, at the right time, right place, every time.
I feel he was the deal breaker in this tournament. You look at the 4 T20, India 2-1 down in the series. Shardul Thakur to win the ball, comes and takes Ben Stokes and Morgan of 2 consecutive balls. I think that was the changing point of the series.
Nice. So Karan, the match is in Pune. It's a belter of a wicket, lots of runs to be scored. People in Pune are already going like, "Apla Rohit tar marnaras bhava." And even Virat, like trains, people in trains are saying that. Virat is going to score a lot of runs. What do you think?
I feel this. Again, this is going to be. Both teams are going to score above 300. I think in all 3 games. The team batting first. 350 will be chaseable, is what I feel in this tournament, and you will see it because both are heavy batting. The team bowling. The better team who bowls on that day should win the game.
Nice. What do you think the series? What's going to be the end result of the series?
I think the end result of the series is going to be like 2-1 India.
2-1. Yeah. I think it's going to be a 3-0. It's going to be a whitewash. Britishers को दुगना लगान देना ही पड़ेगा बस. So Karan, making these teams on Blitzpool, it really gets you thinking, man. You got like 100 credits and these brilliant players, to choose from like 22, the best 11, it's such a task.
It's such a task, absolutely. It's such a task choosing this. But yeah, it's fun at the same time and it's interesting.
Let's get down to it. Who's your captain?
No prizes for guessing that one. It's King Kohli. King Kohli back in action again.
I was confused between Kohli and Stokes, but then I went with Stokes because he's going to get you points with the ball as well. And he's a magnificent fielder, a match winner plus a man of the match or something like that. He's going to get me double points. So I'm going to keep Kohli as my vice captain. What about you?
Butler, who's already amongst the runs there. He is such a fine batsman. He changes the game.
So he's going to be a wicketkeeper as well. So.
Yes.
And the wicketkeeper will obviously. Is he going to keep in the games or is Bairstow going to do it?
No, it's going to be Butler all the way.
Yeah,
it's going to be.
So
I feel it's going to be
a
Butler.
lot of points again. What about the batsman?
The batsman, I think we're talking about the same batsman as far as we have teams in us. We all have got a.
Rohit Sharma. I'm sure you have Rohit Sharma.
Yes.
Morgan.
Correct.
Probably all the match winners there.
King Kohli
is there, and
Stokes
is there.
We got the Stokes. Yeah.
What about do you have Surya Kumar Yadav? That guy is sensational. I'm going to put all my on him, and probably he's going to make me win some good in some of the games.
See, again, there's a
It's
very
good.
thin line over there between luck and bad luck over there between Surya Kumar Yadav and KL Rahul. I know KL Rahul has not been amongst the runs in this T20, but yes, I have like my gut says that Kohli is going to back him.
Kohli does have a soft corner for KL Rahul, but his performances have not been up to the mark, and Surya Kumar Yadav is really pushing him right now.
Neil, I would just say one thing: form is temporary, class is permanent. You can
Yeah.
never. I mean,
But
KL Rahul, top
The
batsman.
matter of fact is how many points. If he doesn't play, he gets 0 points. Surya
And that's
Kumar
exactly
plays.
what he's doing in the last three T20s.
What about the bowlers?
The bowlers, I have Mark Wood.
I have Mark Wood too, and
I have the only bowler I feel who's troubled the Indian batsman is Adil Rashid.
Nice.
He's troubled Kohli. He's troubled Rohit. I mean, he's gotten Kohli out.
But that was
also.
in the T20s. I
Yes.
think, Kohli and company will, just play him off, probably see him for a few overs and then go bang bang
Maybe
against
again.
him.
This is a batting paradise, not to forget.
You were forgetting, even Moeen Ali has troubled Kohli a little bit, especially in the Test series, right?
Which is
I'm
true.
going to back Moeen Ali as my
And
spinner.
I've got a very hard-working fast bowler on me, Natarajan.
Oh, Natarajan
I mean,
is exceptional, yes. But then the thing is
he's-
to get him into my team was a little bit of a
I feel he's the
task.
Bumrah in the making, so I'll always back that youngster.
Left-handed Bumrah.
A hard-working youngster.
Yeah.
I'll always back a Natarajan over there. And then, of course, the old horse again, Chahal. I have Chahal who comes and does those leg spins. But yeah, it's going to be interesting. I think you've got a Bhuvi right there, right?
A Bhuvi and a Shardul Thakur, both were exceptional in the T20 series. I think they're going to play the one-dayers too, and both of them can bat a bit. Shardul has shown his batting in the Test matches and in the T20
Yes.
as well. So I'm hoping, if Virat is scoring or Rohit is scoring, hope he doesn't get to bat. But if he does get a chance, 50 overs, probably score a quick fire 50 or something, get me some points.
It's more about the points. You have a look at this Indian team. I mean, looking at the batting lineup, we've got batting to like 6, 7.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what I think Kohli. I don't know what he'll have to do choosing the World Cup squad out there. It's going to be such a task.
That's a big
Looking
task
at
for him.
Jadeja come back in, Bumrah come back in. Where are these boys gonna go?
Even Shami.
Shami also, yeah, from
Probably
an
they might
injury,
just
yeah.
consider him for the Test series.
Let's see. Let's wait and watch. And it's going to be so exciting watching this ODI series that starts tomorrow.
What do you guys think? Have you made your teams yet?
Hey guys, that's a wrap for today's episode. Let us know your predictions down below in the comments, and we will be picking up 5 lucky winners who will receive 250 bonus points from Brits Pools.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं? Let me just go and comment and get my 250 rupees if possible. But guys, please note that this game involves an element of financial risk. So be responsible, play responsibly.